So in today's recipe, and as you can see, we're going to make a quick shredded hoisin chicken wraps. So you can use, I'm going to use the chicken thighs, but you can use duck, for example, which is normally do. On the previous videos, I haven't told you how this works. So this is the actual recipe that comes with the recipes that you've selected on the Gousto website when you ask for your box, and this here tells you the preparation and for how long it will be served. So the terms of the preparation, so it's 20 minutes to prepare all the things, like including shredding, slicing, well, whatever you want, and whatever is needed, by the way, and 30 minutes to finish all the recipe and you sit with your family to eat. And here you can see all the things that is needed for this recipe. This is the main ingredients for a recipe for 2, but I'm going to double up the ingredients because I'm making for 4. So it's going to be the double of each one, and it's included on the box because my box is for 4 people, not for 2, so it brings the double of the ingredients. Here you have the nutritional info, the calories, the fats, whatever, the allergens, which is rather a good thing. And the other thing is things that you need, for example, salt or special requirements. On the back, it's well, you have here to put on to cut them up. So here are the instructions. Of course, it says for 2, and for 4 you know that you have to double up. So it will, if you double up, maybe it will take a little bit of time, so maybe not 30 minutes but a little bit more. Nothing too extreme. And here is the Gousto social media handles, and pretty much it. So returning to this recipe, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. As you noticed previously, the recipe said half a cucumber, but since I'm going to double up because it's 4 people, it's 1 cucumber, 4 spring onions, 640 grams of chicken thighs, 1 red jam lettuce. For 2 people is 1 red jam lettuce. For 4 people, which is our case, it's 2 red jam lettuce, but I'm going to open just one and I'm going to see if everyone likes it and if I should open the other one. For 4 people, 12 tortilla wraps. In here are 6, I have more in that side. 10 grams of toasted sesame seeds, 30 milliliters of soy sauce, and 80 grams of hoisin sauce. So the spring onions, I just prepped them and I just sliced them lengthways, so you have thin strips like this. The cucumber, I just sliced the cucumber and then I pick it up and turn them into like matchsticks, like this. And about the lettuce, it says on the recipe to shred the lettuce. I decided to cut in a strip, so you just take all the leaves, just roll them up and just cut it so you can have like thin strips. I think it's easier to put inside the tortillas. So once the pan is really hot, I'm going to add the thighs. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's getting warmer. So let's just add the thighs. You can hear it sizzling. Remember that I'm making a recipe for 4. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt. But not much salt because we're going to use soy sauce. When you see that the chicken is getting golden, we are going to go to the other procedure. because remember that chicken needs to be really well done. No pink inside. It's wrong. So we don't want anyone sick. And we are going to add a little bit of water. Like half a cup. And we are going to cover it. And we're going to let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. It depends. So we don't want pink meat on a chicken. So probably 15 minutes. Let's check. Don't worry if you have too much water, because you're going to shred this chicken, literally. And the water is coming out, so don't worry if you have too much water. We need the chicken to be really well cooked, okay? No pinks inside, remember. Let's leave it. Let's see our cooked meat. So after 20 minutes, I just let it 20 minutes. I'm going to take the water off, and I'm going to shred all the chickens. After shredding the meat, so I just use 2 forks and just shred it. So this is the result of my shredding. I'm going to return the chicken to the pan. And now I'm going to add my soy sauce. Hoisin sauce. Go. Let's mix them up. And there's a wonderful smell. We're going to let the meat, the shredded meat with the sauces to, well, maybe 2 minutes. While the last step of the meat is getting over, I'm going to heat the tortillas. Well, you can heat it on the oven or you can heat it on the microwave. So I'm going to use the microwave because it's going to be easier and fast. And here we are, ready, looking golden. And let's take it out. And here we have it. So we have our meat with the soy sauce and the hoisin sauce, the spring onion in strips, the shredded lettuce, the toasted sesame seeds, the cucumber, and our tortillas. So we just need to assemble them and let's eat. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel so I can continue to make more videos like this. And see you on the next video.